iyashota khona la kushoda
wena uyaphi ekhaladini nani bowucasukile uwenze njani
Isingesi ukuthola ngesingisi kuyinkinga
ubuza mina ngile ngithi wawenza njani mawudinile yabona into ukuthi mawudiniwe ungazothi lo fuck ingane yabona ingane vele ikhuluma ngo-photosynthesis and athi ukhuluma wani-ke manje sithandwa kanti siyamana wani walo engasazi ngizwa inkinga kufanele nami lona wali ungazi baba
yabona message uSutkulu ngisUSutkulu ucula liphi iculo kuthiwa hayi ushale impahla
kunethi kakhulu
awu bhuti omdala ohlala bhuti
Kunethi kakhulu awu bhuti omdala usukhona
ime yazi ngathini mina ngathi lo uqamxakekile kanti yangathi uqamxakekile
uthi yazi uthi
uqamxakekile hayi uqam
lalela la inkanyamba ubhuti omdala ophethe ingane ngesisu nangeqhamunga la umlomo somasha Newamthatha Sweet Kuluva kuthini ukuphawula kakho nangu ubhuti omdala weSutkuluva ubhuti omdala somasha
bona abalungu
wethu nazo
hayi vele mina ngiyathunywa ngiyabizwa ngapha
uyabizwa ngapha la
Sutkuluva hayi mfowethu hayi
ngibuye ngizobuya
buye mfowethu ubuye
kaphela ama ngathi bothi unecala kawo
ubona icala
laso futhi
jobehleli nocingo unecala jokuhleli nocingo la
Cha akuyona indawo yethu le silela temporary. Cha ngikuphathele isikhibe simnyama sifuna sithenga. Isikhibe simnyama ngisiphethe ngevoice note mina. Hayi uyazi mabaso la.
phela ngeke iqhubeke indlakala leli
Cha sizobeka thina ezidala lezi.
abazayo ufuna ngenze mina nginduna phela mina wenduna
uyinduna kuphi
ndabezisi kana ukuthi mo hayi umsebenzi la kwaje phela Hi bazala bam Zitho, welcome to Mkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. So bazala bam, today we'll be talking about the clip that we just saw yaka Sweet Kuluva having fun or my friends work and family guys. I think a lot of people they are referring to that thing, to that video that I just posted with Sweet Kuluva, because on statement Sarah Ashley said Sweet Kuluva was he was talking about her or kuluma in family gatherings and friends what but God, let's just be fair ne? Usukuluva, I know he's wrong, and if you've listened to my video in the previous videos you'll know good I'm on Ashley's side, and I feel like Usukuluva is wrong ne family yakhe as a whole, and I don't wanna know or don't wanna take it so ukuthi Ashley was disrespected mama Usukuluva, but la khulunywa ngengane akhulunywa ngeAsh asikhuluma ngomjolo la sikhuluma ngengane abantu bakibo Usukuluva failed ingane kaSutkuluva if la mntwana kaSutkuluva. guys, on that video guys, yasikhuluma iqiniso yile hlonga ndlebe abathi umpumelelo manje elikhulumayo lapha asking ama-question angabhadlanga. Ile hlonga le, there's nothing wrong there usuthi Guluva ishilo ngo-Ashley ngako. There's nothing wrong there usuthi Guluva ishilo ngengane. And one thing I should give to Guluva, he respected the fact that Ashley don't want to talk about pregnancy. I don't know whether he respected the fact that Ashley don't want to talk about pregnancy or azange akhulume ngayo just because he felt like lengane vele akuseyakhe uyiphike from iseseswisini lengane ingakho. But one thing nje bangayiphiki u-Ashley. Another thing I wanted us to talk about is the statements Ashley. There's a part Ashley athi yena uwazi ku-statement saka-Sweet Guluva ukuthi uSweet Guluva uphika ingane ufuna i-DNA. And guys, uSweet Guluva means he's not even 26 uSweet Guluva. So ezinye izinto azenzayo uzenza ngengcondo yale age yakhe guys. That's why I mean that is why ngibona abantu abaningi bathi I should not blame abazali baSweet Guluva ngithi, but that is why I'm saying ngiblame ifamily kaSweet Guluva because ezinye zezinto uzenza ngobuntwana wena ucabanga ukuthi uhlakaniphile kanti you don't know ukuthi phambili lento izokushaya. uSweet Guluva, if Ashley uthi yena noSweet Guluva they were, even though they were not in a relationship bayakhuluma ngako, but uSweet Guluva uyacela ukubona umntwana on a public space, umntwana sakavelile, and uSweet Guluva has never requested i-DNA. It shows ukuthi uSweet Guluva unayo into engqondweni yakhe ethi lengane kungaba eyami, lengane eyami. Just that because there's a voice note ne, oh no, not a voice note, a video that I saw guys. So ngakhohlwa ukuyisave that video. uSweet Guluva bekasho ukuthi hayi mina ngikhuziwe ngawe, mina bongathi ngidlisiwe ngaphalaziswa. This shows guys, I just wanted to post that video so mase ngiyibheka manje ngasayithola. It shows ukuthi this thing kaSweet Guluva in a family kakhulu, i-relationship yabo, ifamily kaSweet Guluva was more involved kakhulu endabeni zabo, ingakho i-relationship yabo engasebenzi. So they felt like indlela uSweet Guluva athanda ngayo Ashley is not in the right way. Ingakho, because I don't understand many system yokuthi umuntu athi umfana udlisiwe makayo phalaziswa. Nimbona ngani umuntu odlisiwe? If girlfriend yakhe I'm jolly, I'm shy, I'm ngathini inje bayathandana in a good relationship, and it shows the guy is in love. And a lot of families guys, I'm not saying ihliso sikukhona ihliso and ihliso si dangerous and ihliso siphula abantwana beyabantu, but sometimes ama-family amaningi who they are saying umntwana udlisiwe, umntwana akadliswanga, bafuna ufaka lento engcondweni ukuthi indlela othanda ngayo umuntu wakho is wrong. And even that thing is wrong because uthi isho umuntu yena unganakwa i-boyfriend uthi umntwana abantu udliswe ngaliphi. So I think ilento kaSweet Guluva ingenwe ifamily yabo kakhulu, and uSweet Guluva cause umama's baby uSweet Guluva, and understandable so because mawukhulise umntana ufana makhulisa umamakhe kakhulu, ukhonza umamakhe kakhulu. So ezinye zezinto uzovela uzotrust umamakhe more than anyone emhlabeni. So I understand ukuthi maybe umamakhe abaqinisa isandla ukuthi you know what, asabeni ngalento le ngalendlela le. And to those abathi uSweet Guluva has a right ukufuna i-DNA, yes he has a right ukufuna i-DNA, but i-DNA yomntwana uyifuna kumama umntwana, uyifuna ku-social media. Ufana noma ufuna ukubona umntwana awutsheli ama-fans wakho ukuthi wena ufuna ukubona umntwana, utshela umama umntwana ukuthi ngicela ukubona umntwana wami. If uSweet Guluva wanted i-DNA bomele abhalele u-Ashley incwadi or SMS or whatever thing ukuthi ucela ukubona umntwana wakhe. Ngabe manje uveza screenshot sokuthi umntwana nakho ngamcela u-Ashley wathi no, njengoba Ashley athazakala. Ngabe uyaveza manje ukuthi nawo. And nalapho-ke ukuzalakisa-ke sikusiza kanethi ilento ehlala siyikhuza ngabantu, uthola ukuthi uvela ku-TikTok ushayiwe but akavulanga icase. Thina vele sizokhomenta sabe sobanga nomsindo loyo muntu okushayile nani, which is wrong ne, which is lo muntu wrong ukushaya, and we sympathize with you, but there's nothing we can do because we cannot open a case on your behalf. So ilento uSweet Guluva kumele yenze ukuthi atshele thina ukuthi u-Ashley umbloki, u-Ashley akafuna abona umntwana, u-Ashley akafuna i-DNA. Ayisizi nganext thina sizokhuluma sithi u-Ashley wrong, but end of the day ngeke yenzele umntwana akhe iqiniso. And the more alo kaphala ne-statement alo entertain ama-fans afocusa on the back, umntwana yakhula, umntwana ukhulanga nababa, and i-damage lokhu yakhula. But bazala bami, please comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.